Have you ever wondered what lies at the very bottom of the world's oceans? Imagine a place so deep, so dark, and so remote that less than a handful of people have ever ventured there. It's a region marked by superheated volcanic vents, creatures that glow in the darkness, and pressures so intense they could crush a human instantly. Welcome to the Mariana Trench, the deepest place on Earth. Get ready for a 36,000-foot plunge into the abyss as we unravel its unfathomable mysteries. Located in the western Pacific Ocean, stretching over 1,500 miles long, the Mariana Trench feels more like another planet than an oceanic feature right here on Earth. At its deepest recorded point, Challenger Deep, towering skyscrapers like the Burj Khalifa could vanish several times over. But how did this colossal trench come to be? Plate tectonics hold the answer. The trench is essentially a scar in the Earth's crust, formed when the Pacific Plate collided and was forced beneath the smaller Mariana Plate. This phenomenon, called subduction, creates trenches that stretch thousands of miles. Imagine the Earth's crust crumpling like paper, and beneath those folds, the Mariana Trench. What sets this trench apart isn't just its depth, it's also its crushing silence and isolation. The water here hovers near freezing temperatures, compounded by a force over 1,000 times atmospheric pressure at sea level. To put this into perspective, think of 100 elephants standing on a single postage stamp. Yet somehow, life persists. As grim and unwelcoming as it sounds, the Mariana Trench is no dead zone. It is, quite astonishingly, brimming with life. But life down here isn't anything close to what we see in the sunny coral reefs or sparkling blue shallows. The trench houses creatures that are as otherworldly as science fiction itself. Take, for instance, the anglerfish. It's one of the Mariana Trench's most iconic inhabitants. This nightmarish predator uses a bioluminescent lure dangling from its head to attract prey in the pitch-black abyss. It glows with an eerie light, like a small, secret star in the darkness. Next, we have the giant amphipods, shrimp-like creatures that are 10 times larger than any crustaceans you've seen at your local seafood market. They scuttle along the trench floor, feeding on organic debris sinking from above. They are armored survivors, built to thrive under immense pressure. But wait, it gets stranger. Meet the xenophyrophores, single-celled organisms roughly the size of softballs. Yes, one cell the size of your fist. These incredible creatures form shell-like structures on the trench's floor, creating miniature deep-sea reefs. Isn't it mind-blowing how life has not only survived here, but evolved such specialized ways of flourishing? The Mariana Trench has more than biological wonders. It's also a living treasure chest for scientific discovery. Human curiosity has inspired monumental expeditions here, overcoming the extreme challenges of crushing depths and pitch darkness. In 1960, the world witnessed the first and highly dangerous journey to the trench's depths by Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh in the bathyscaphe, Trieste. While technology has since advanced, even modern submersibles like the DSV limiting factor or gadgets sent down by researchers challenge our engineering limits. These vehicles provide stunning 3D mappings of the trench and allow for unprecedented sample collections. Let's not forget about hydrothermal vents. These underwater geysers pump out superheated, mineral-laden water, where lush, alien-like ecosystems thrive. What's fascinating is that life here doesn't rely on sunlight for energy. It uses chemosynthesis, an ability to transform chemicals into food. In a way, it flips the idea of what life needs upside down. But here's a chilling truth to ponder. Even this remote realm is not untouched by humanity. Scientists recently detected microplastics embedded within the organisms and sediments of the trench. Yes, human pollutants have reached Earth's farthest corners. If there's one thing the Mariana Trench forces us to grapple with, it's the far-reaching consequences of our actions. So, why does this massive underwater gorge fascinate us so deeply? Perhaps it's because the Mariana Trench mirrors the extreme resilience and adaptability inherent in life. From glow-in-the-dark anglerfish to single-celled xenophyophores, it challenges everything we thought we knew about survival. It's a kaleidoscope of science, showcasing geological time capsules, unique biology, and even modern human impact through pollution. And yet, for all its wonders, the trench remains largely unexplored. We are talking 80%, 95% of its full capacity unknown. What could those hidden canyons tell us about early Earth, or even how life could exist on other planets? Could the trench harbor microbial species, perhaps with medicinal properties, or new materials waiting to be discovered? Or will we unravel more sobering truths, like further signs of unchecked human activity? The Mariana Trench is a reminder of how little we still know about this watery planet we call home. And isn't that exhilarating? Exploration, after all, feeds our human spirit. Thanks for diving into this awe-inspiring journey with us today. If you're as stunned by the mysteries of the Mariana Trench as we are, like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and hit that subscribe button to keep uncovering the Earth's wonders with us. Until next time, stay curious.